What's up, guys? So today we are heading out door knocking on some pre-foreclosures. We pulled a list from our courthouse and we're gonna go after some of these pre-foreclosures today and try to get a contract. We're gonna bring you along on the ride, kind of go over some basics while we're doing it and tell you how we do things. All right, guys, so we are pulling up to our first property. Just a little quick tip I wanted to leave you with. Park on the street. Instead of parking in the driveway, it's just a little less intimidating and can start you off on the right foot. So park on the street, not in the driveway. Yeah, so I want to talk to you just a little bit about your approach. Once you come to the door, you knock on the door, you want to take about 6 or 7 steps back. You want to be very unintimidating. You're coming to the house, letting them know that you know their house is in pre-foreclosure. You don't want to pressure them. You don't want to act like a salesman. You just want to tell them, hey, I may have an option to get you out of this pre-foreclosure if you don't have an option. What if they say they're getting a loan modification or they're going to catch the mortgage up on their own? One of the things I like to do is offer them a backup plan. And what I mean by backup plan is, check this out. Hey, that's great. I'm glad you got it taken care of. Look, if anything falls through with that, I need about 7 days, but use me as a backup plan. Keep my card, give me a call. I might be able to help you out. I know what you're thinking. Knocking on pre-foreclosures can be a little awkward. The mood is a little shaky. One of the ways that I kind of try to soften the mood or instill a little trust in me is telling them about how I've helped someone else before. I call it the testimonial approach. You want to kind of, hey, I've helped multiple families in this area stop the foreclosure, keep the foreclosure off their credit. Sometimes it puts a little cash in their pocket, at least maybe get them enough cash to help them move. One of the tactics you can use, the testimonial approach, that will help you kind of ease the moment. That was a quick overview of how I door knock. I hope that helps you guys out obtain some more pre-foreclosure properties. As always, if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon.